Hello everyone. TrustSync app lets you set up a custom domain for sending review request emails to customers. Let's find out how to configure it. Open the TrustSync app on your Shopify store. Next, navigate to the Email Configurations tab in the left side panel under TrustSync. Select the Email Settings option at the top. Enter your custom domain for sending emails and click on the Verify button in the Sender section. In the following window, you will find the DNS records that need to be verified for your domain. Go to the DNS provider settings of your domain platform. We have used Namecheap in our example. Let's add a new record for the first text record type. Copy the record type, name and value from TrustSync and enter the details in the newly created record. Similarly, add the other record types as listed in the TrustSync app. Save the changes as you add each record type. Once you are done, hit the Check Domain button in TrustSync's DNS record verification window. You will get a success message once the records have been verified successfully. Please note that DNS records can take up to 72 hours to get verified. As long as your domain is not verified, emails will be sent from the default address in the app. That's it. This is how easily you can set up a custom domain for sending review request emails through TrustSync. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Good luck with your business.